We're thrilled by our most recent 5-star review from someone that just experienced our great customer service. Our team works hard to go the extra mile for everyone, so this type of review is very rewarding. We're really motivated to hear we've made so many people happy. We work with everyone individually to reach our 5-star service goal. Our approach really is one experience at a time. It's that simple. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We're only one call away from serving you.